Look at how tiny this box is. This is my Stitch Fix for the month of June, and it is small. My husband asked me he said, did you just order something? That can't be your style box. And I said, no, this is my style box. It is tiny. I don't think I've ever had a box this small before. So let's see what's inside. You know, with Stitch Fix, the styling fee is $20. They do send you a preview so you can select 5 items to have your stylist send to you. And if you decide that you don't want any of them or just 1, 2, or however many, then the stylist will pick the other items out for you and send them to you. And I can't remember if I selected anything for this box. I don't know. We'll see. Priority mail, USPS envelope, send everything back. You get a invoice, which I'm not going to open. I don't like to spoil it with knowing how much things are before deciding. Although when I do the try on, I will give you the description and the pricing. And I have Melissa. I don't know if I had her before. I can't remember. But here's like how you can put outfits together. And let's see what's in this little, everybody calls it a burrito. Look at how tiny that box is. Oh, there's not very much in here, it looks like. There are 5 items, pretty colors. Let's just take a quick look and see what we have. Oh, let's see. Okay, we have this pretty blue top. Okay, first reaction, not for me. No, I bet it's cute on though. Look at the pretty blue. It's a gorgeous, it's kind of like looks like it's got a little purple tint. I don't know, it could be really cute on. You never know. What's this? Oh, I did select this. She actually sent me 2 of these to select from. This color, it's like a lace, but nothing on the back. I don't care for those. And then the lace sleeve. It's a pretty color. It's like a tan color. That's cute. That is cute. Let's see, what's this? They'll kind of look sort of alike. It's cute. Not really my style, but again, depending on price plays a lot. Do you guys notice that when you look at something, and then you see the price is like really reasonable, and you're like, oh, I really like that. But then you see the price, but if you like something and then you see that the price is high, like really high, you're like, oh no, I don't like it as much. This is cute. Oh yeah, I told her to go ahead and send this to me. This is a dress, t-shirt dress. The material feels nice. And it's a V-neck. How often do we get V-neck t-shirt dresses? This is pretty. I'm excited to try that on. And oh no. I mean, look at how short those are. Those are short. You guys know me, I don't wear short shorts, but they're pretty cute. If they were just a little bit longer, get the pockets in the front. All right, let's give it a try on. Okay, I know this doesn't look right together, but I'm just trying to save a little bit of time. Let's talk about the top first. The top is by Market & Spruce. I'm wearing a size small. It is $58. It is called the Hans Crocheted Front Mixed Media Top, $58. Okay, I think the top is very cute. I kind of wish it had a V-neck because when it's rounded like this and just plain, even though it's crocheted, it just looks like a t-shirt to me. I mean, it's a nice top. I think the fit is great. But then you turn around to the back and it's plain. Okay. I would pay $58 for this if the crocheting went all the way around to the back. But because it's just in the front, I'm not excited for $58. I'm not excited to reach for this in my closet for $58. Just not. I do not pay a styling fee. I have the styling pass, so this box doesn't cost me anything to receive it, so I'm not out anything, so I'm a little pickier. I'm picky anyways, let's just get real. So I don't know, I think I'm just not excited. So this top's gonna be a no. It's very pretty. It is very pretty. But it's a no for me. Okay, the shorts are a little short for me. They're not as short as I had thought. These are by Democracy. I can't say it today. The shorts are purple. They're the Absolution high rise double button short. It has the pockets on the front. I'm wearing a size 8. They are $68, which seems pretty typical. They have the frayed hem. I mean, they could be really cute. They're just a little bit longer. Like I said, pockets in the front. They snap. Back pockets. I mean, they're cute. I don't wear colored shorts, and there's a lot. Look at all the extra material right here. They're sliding down. Maybe a smaller size, but if I go down a size, these are going to ride up, which is not for me. But if you're looking for a pair, these are pretty cute. They really are. A lot of stretch in them. Did I tell you they're $58? No, wait, $68. Tops $58, bottoms are $68. So these two are going to be a no. Let's try something else. Next top, I left the shorts on. This is by PAPERMOON. It's called the Channing short sleeve knit top. I'm wearing a size small. It's $38. It's a really nice length. The material feels nice. There's a lot of stretch in it. It's got the flutter sleeves. It's got the material across here, which, you know, I'm kind of over it. Probably over it because this top doesn't excite me. That's probably why. But it's a beautiful color. It's got some, what is that? You can see right through there. Crocheting, I guess, right here. I mean, it's nice. I'm not excited. It feels like a top that's been around for a long time, and I'm looking for some unique pieces that get me excited, something that I might, you know, something that I could fall in love with. This isn't doing it for me, but it is nice. It really is, but it's just not for me. Okay, let's see what's next. Another flutter sleeve top. This one is by Market in Spruce. It is called the Alison split neck knit top. It's cute. I'm wearing a size small. It's $44. I mean, it's got some detail on it. It's like just like stitching on here. It's got a little bit of lace up here at the top. And it's like got ribbon, strips of different types of ribbon up here, it looks like. It's kind of like an off-white. It's a nice length. I mean, it's nice. It's just, for me, it's not worth $44. I know, I guess I'm just not really, nothing in this box is exciting me. It looks like I've received things that I've seen in other boxes years ago. So I want something new and fresh and unique. And so far, this isn't doing it. Let's try on a skirt and let's hope that that's a winner. Okay, we have a winner here, I'm pretty sure. I am a hot mess. I am changing clothes down here in the bathroom instead of running up and down. And this is a hot mess. Okay, who cares? Let's look at the clothes. This dress is really cute. It is not lined. It is a stretchy material. It says it's polyester and spandex. This is by RAINN. It's $58. I'm wearing a size small. It's called the Jazzee split neck dress, I think. But I love the print of this. I like how just easy it is just to put on. I do not have shapewear on, so I'll have to look back at the video. I like the length. It's not too long. It's not too short. The pattern does not line up on this side, but it does over here. So I think I'll see if I can exchange it for one where the pattern matches up. If not, I might keep it. It's $58. I don't know. What do you guys think? I know it's pretty cute. I could wear tennis shoes with it. I like the print on it. I've seen this. I mean, I've seen this dress around, which is, you know, oh look, this kind of makes your waist look small. Like how that's like that kind of brings it in. I've seen this, but I've seen it in like more of solid or a different type of print. It's just a nice t-shirt dress. I'd probably put some Spanx on just to be a little more comfortable. I mean, it just fits. This cannot shrink one bit or I'm in trouble. And I think a medium will be too big. So that's it. That's my Stitch Fix box. What do you guys think? I was trying not to spend too much time on everything probably because I wasn't excited. But I am excited about this. So let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are, from my home to yours.